Okay guys, I asked Kuya about this fruit. What's the name of the fruit, Kuya?
That is a small grapes.
Small grapes. You see? Just with me. Just behind me. This fruit. And Kuya said, I'll take a lot. Oh my God. It's just a body. It's called Big Knife fruit. They said this fruit is very sour to taste. A friend of mine, Abby, said that this is what we're gonna do so that we could get rid of those sour taste. In a container, put some salt and then just put them. Shake it. Shake it off. Shake it off. Now let's going to try it again. The red one first. Yeah, it has a lesser sour taste. And about this purple one.